everyone, welcome to my channel Pinnacle Study Group. In this video, I'm going to start a very important topic called dexamethasone drug. And this drug was in news recently. So let's start with the topic. And if you want to download all PDFs of these videos, kindly download my app Pinnacle Study Group. It will be available on Android phone and Apple phone. The link of the app is given below in the description box. You can download my app. So the topic is dexamethasone drug. Recently scientists administering the WHO, the recovery trial have reported the dexamethasone drug reduce COVID-19 death in the severe patients. तो recently scientists ने ये चीज observe की है, administer की है W Health Organization को to the recovery trial which reported the dexamethasone reduce the COVID-19 death in severe patients. Dexamethasone is a cheap and widely available steroid drug. तो ये cheap है और काफी available एक steroid drug है. So what was highlight of the research? The drug was given either orally or through the IV, that is called the intravenous. And after 28 days, it has reduced the death by the 35% in patients who needed treatment with breathing machines and by 20% in those who needing the supplemental oxygen. So drug is not used for not helpful for the less ill patient and those who do not need respiratory support. तो ये drug उनके लिए इतनी helpful नहीं है who are less ill patients and who do not need respiratory support. And according to the estimates, the drug can prevent one death for every 8 patients. It means 1 by 8, that is 12.5%. So it is treated while on breathing machines and one for every 25 patient on extra oxygen alone. तो ये drug उनके लिए काफी useful है. Next is drug mechanism. Multi-system inflammatory state is a COVID-19 related illness that causes inflammation of the blood vessels, leading to the low blood pressure and affecting the entire body, and it causes a build-up fluid in the lungs and other organs. तो ये एक है multi-system inflammatory state is a COVID-19 related illness that causes inflammation of the blood vessels and leading to low blood pressure and affecting the entire body. So it will cause build-up fluid in lungs and other organs. The inflammation can be fatal, so steroid and other anti-inflammatory drugs are used to reduce it. Okay, this is the drug mechanism, and drug name is dexamethasone. And a dexamethasone is not an antiviral but works to modulate the immune response of the body when confronted by viral infections such as COVID-19. तो dexamethasone is not an antiviral. तो ये कोई antiviral drug नहीं है. Rather, it is a modulate the immune response. Next is what are the benefits? The survival benefit is clear and large in the severe patient. जो patient बहुत severe उनके लिए तो benefits काफी clear और large है. It is highly affordable, easy to make and can scale up quickly and need to small doses. और इसके small dose ही चाहिए होती है. It is cheaper option than the other tested. So it is cheaper than the tocilizumab, which is an injectable which is also being tested. तो ये tocilizumab से काफी cheap है. Next is concerns. The WHO advises that steroids should not be used early in the course of illness because they can slow the time until patient clear the virus. So steroids should not be given in the early course of illness. This is advised by the WHO. And excessive use of the steroid can lead to adverse reactions like major mood swings, aggressions, irritability, delusion, किडनी लीवर डैमेज, इंक्रीज ब्लड प्रेशर एक्सेट्रा. तो अगर स्टीरॉइड हम ज्यादा यूज करेंगे तो मूड स्विंग्स, एग्रेशन, इरिटेबिलिटी, डिल्यूजन, किडनी लीवर, इन सब पे काफी ये ओके हार्मफुल इफेक्ट्स होते हैं. एंड व्हाट इज द रिएक्शन of Indian government? So Indian doctors have welcomed the research as good news for COVID-19. So drugs is affordable and easily available in India. And earlier, Indian Council for Medical Research (ICMR) revised the protocol for clinical management for COVID-19 and allow the use of remdesivir, tocilizumab, and convalescent plasma therapy on certain groups of patients. तो remdesivir reduce the hospital stay for very sick COVID-19 patient but has not shown to improve recovery itself. Okay, and there are some other findings from the research. See, earlier the same study showed that malaria drug hydroxychloroquine was not working against the coronavirus. And next, the study enrolled more than 11,000 patients in England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland who were given either standards of care or that plus one of the treatment mentioned below. तो क्या क्या है? एक तो है dexamethasone, HIV combo drug lopinavir and the ritonavir. This is again drug. Antibiotic azithromycin. Anti-inflammatory drug which is called the tocilizumab, and plasma for people who recover from the COVID-19 that contains antibodies from the virus. So ये था हमारा एक छोटा सा topic. Okay, and if you want to download all PDFs, kindly download my app and the link is given below the description box. Thank you.